Daisy's blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. Can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me.
So now, having pledged their fidelity to one another, to love, honor, and cherish one another in the presence of this gathering, by the authority vested in me by the Constitution and laws of this state, it is now my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
You and I as one will always be better than two. Leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. You got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two.
3, 2, 1.
Take this slow, we've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Yeah, you and I as one will always be better than two.
You